Hello everyone, it's Take and Bake time, and I'm gonna make sure you guys get your vegetables this month because it's time for carrot cake, one of my all-time favorite desserts. And without further ado, let's begin. As with the chocolate cake, we're starting off with two 9-inch cake pans that have been buttered and floured and have had some parchment paper cut out and put in the bottom. This is optional, the parchment paper that is, but I highly recommend it. Okay, in a big bowl, we're going to do 2 cups of flour and then 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a teaspoon of table salt. And then we have our spice mixture here, which is 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Then we mix it all together here. And once this is mixed up, we can set it aside and get another bowl, and we're doing 2 cups sugar, followed by the most delicious ingredient here. We have 1¼ cups canola oil. Looks delicious. And then one at a time, we are going to add 4 eggs. And by saying one at a time, I mean I accidentally added 2. It's okay. We'll get those nice and mixed up. And it wouldn't be a carrot cake without some carrots. In this case, I have 3 cups of finely grated carrots. This ended up being about 3 medium to large size carrots. And in about 3 trips, we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet, incorporating them just a little bit, and then adding our 3 cups of carrots, and boom, mixing it all up. I should mention this is also where you would add your nuts and your raisins if you're using them. And then we're going to put our 2 cake pans into the center of a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. But as always, check it sooner. Check it maybe around 20. Mine came out a little bit earlier. Toothpick test. Made sure they were nice and done. No goo in the middle. I'm letting them rest in the pans for about 15 minutes before removing them and putting them on a wire rack. And while those are cooling down, we can go ahead and make our frosting. And for the frosting, we have 2 packages of cream cheese, a stick of room temperature butter, 1/4 cup pure maple syrup, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. And once everything is mixed together in a consistency you like, it's time to frost. And we have our totally cooled cakes here. We're doing 1, a nice base coat, and then another huge dollop, and pressing from the center, off the sides. And if you're thinking, wow, that looks really ugly, I bet I could do better than that. You're right, I'm terrible at decorating cakes, but you know what? It tastes delicious. And here we have it. The most moist, fragrant, spicy, delicious carrot cake you'll ever have. Happy baking, and thank you so much.